Welcome viewers to another exciting video. In this video we are going to see some more options that are available with our recycle bin. When we delete any file, it goes to recycle bin, and if you want the file to get permanently deleted from the system, you have to select that file and holding your shift key you press the delete button. So if I select this file and holding my shift key, if I press delete button, it's going to ask me like, are you sure you want to delete this file? I can say yes and no also. So if you want this behavior by default, like you don't need to press shift key every time to delete the file, what you can do, you simply come here, highlight this recycle bin file, right click, go to show more options, under properties, click here. You will see there is one option available, don't move the file to the recycle bin, remove files immediately when deleted. So if you select this option, then once you hit delete file button, it will be simply permanently deleted. Also you can add a display delete confirmation dialog box to ask your permission. So if I check this one and if I mark this option together and I hit apply and then press OK, and now if I try to delete this file by just pressing my delete button, it will now by default it's going to show me like, do you want to permanently delete this file? So it is now not going to recycle bin, it is just asking to permanently delete this file. So in this way you can go and try this option, and I hope you will find this really very useful if you don't want to move any file into your recycle bin again. So thanks for watching guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.